Um, we got a problem. They put childproof on this. It's wrong on so many levels. I love big toys. Hi, welcome back to Kirk's Bees, home of Jack's Honey. Today, we're working out in over here in the shop, because we got some frames for when we do cutouts and removals that need to be assembled. For that, we went and got us a new toy. I love new toys. It'd be nice if I got free new toys. That'd be great. Then I wouldn't go broke. So what we ended up doing was we got a staple gun. Now for this particular application, we're using 1-inch staples. Hey, they didn't childproof these. I was able to get into them. Oh, that didn't work out so well. Oh, never had one before. Goes in this side. Oh wait! I want to make. Oh, I want to do that fun thing. So, I have no idea how this is going to go. One thing I like about this, it has a little swivel around there. So, I'm going to plug this in, like so. Point it away for safety, of course. Now, comes the interesting parts of this, because I have no idea how this is going to go. They childproofed it. Why you always childproof everything? I can't get in. Let me in. Why do you always childproof everything? They keep me out of everything. It's not fair. They got holes in here for if you want to do for foundations. They're all notched. It's really nice. This pine sure to smell good. I will say that too. Okay, and these are the tops. So, we're just going to assemble one for you over here. Where did I get these? Ta-da! Barnyardbees.com. Top, bottom, two sides. Here, here. Here, one here, like so. Okay, it's all done now. Just kidding. Alrighty, well, looks easy enough. Hmm. No idea what I'm doing. I obviously have never done this before. Booyah!
Now I know what it feels like to be a real boy.
No idea. I'm not putting my fingers anywhere near that thing. I wonder. I can't judge distance or size, whatever it's called. It's in my life. Oh, ain't that interesting? But it's in there good. Looks straight to me. Okay, that works. I'm happy with it. Look like my other ones. Cool. Got another one of my really brilliant ideas. Okay, there we go. Looks good to me. This is probably a really bad idea. But it's working. And again, this is going to be a continuous thing. I thought DeWalt was a pretty good brand. I mean, yeah, I wasn't trying to get the most expensive one, but still. Live and learn. Live and learn, Johnny Boy.
Hey, that's sticky.
Not supposed to be sticky until you get honey on it. Ta-da! That is so annoying. Make sure all of these are facing the right direction. Pretty sure they are. Make sure they're all supported. It looks good. Keep falling apart! Well, the last set went really well. Okay, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll fix. Go in. I'll fix. There we go. See, I fixed it. That leak is just very, very annoying. Hello? Come out! Come out, whatever you want. For safety, when you're storing things like this, take the ammunition out. I mean the staples out. Job complete. We'll see you next time. Back here, Kirksby's, home of Jack's Honey. You have a good one. Be sure to hit that bell, like, subscribe.